Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Maud Kaifian, and welcome back to Ecofriends, your go-to channel for all things environmental. Today, we're tackling a pressing issue: forest fires in Uttarakhand. As an environmental engineer with expertise in environmental botany, I've seen firsthand the devastating effects of forest fires. But fear not, because today, we're not just discussing the problem, we're exploring solutions. The traditional practices of burning the forest floor and agricultural residue near forest fringes have contributed to the surge in forest fires. Additionally, human activities like careless partying and lit cigarettes have exacerbated the situation. But there's hope on the horizon. The key to effective forest fire management lies in community engagement and empowerment. Imagine if the government initiated a forest fire management program, empowering local communities, men, women, and unemployed youth with scientific training and resources. These individuals, equipped with local knowledge and skills, could become valuable human resources for forest fire management. And it doesn't stop there. By providing alternatives like biodegradable products made from forest waste, such as needle leaves of cheer plants, we can create sustainable livelihoods for these communities. But it's not just about livelihoods, it's about recognition and opportunity. Imagine if local youth received certificates of appreciation, equivalent to NCC and NSS certificates, for their contributions to forest fire management. With these initiatives in place, local communities will be actively engaged in protecting and preserving our precious forests. So, let's join hands and work towards a future where forest fires are a thing of the past. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly content. Together, we can make a difference. Until next time, stay green.